Ensure you have a comfortable space to lie down flat on your back, perhaps on a yoga mat or a comfortable floor. Use a blanket for warmth and a small pillow under your head if you prefer. Make sure that you will not be disturbed during this time. Begin by gently closing your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, filling your lungs completely and exhaling slowly. Allow each exhale to help you let go of any distractions or noises around you. Feel the weight of your body resting on the ground, grounding you in this moment. Continue to focus on your breath. With each inhale, imagine drawing calmness into your body. And with each exhale, imagine pushing any tension or stress out. Allow your breath to become slower and deeper, signaling to your body that it is time to relax. Shift your awareness to your feet. Notice any sensations here: warmth, coolness, tingling. Acknowledge them and then let them go. Gradually move your focus up to your ankles, calves, and knees, gently noting and releasing any areas of tension. Bring your attention up to your thighs and hips. Feel them heavy against the ground. Breathe into these areas, and with every exhale, feel them soften and relax more deeply. Continue this gentle attention through your stomach, lower back, and chest. Allow each breath to expand these areas, releasing tension. Focus now on your shoulders. Allow them to drop away from your ears, feeling lighter with each breath. Move your awareness up through your neck, releasing tightness, and up to your head. Relax your jaw, cheeks, and eyes. Feel your entire face soften, your forehead smoothing. Imagine yourself in a serene place, a space where you feel completely at peace. It could be a quiet woodland, a deserted beach at sunset, or a cozy, silent nook you love. Visualize yourself there, surrounded by soothing sounds and smells, and let this peace seep into every part of your body with each breath. Remain in this peaceful state, letting go of all remaining tension. With every breath, sink deeper into relaxation. You are safe, calm, and completely relaxed. Nothing needs your attention but this moment and your breath. And slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Notice the ground beneath you again. Begin to move your fingers and toes slightly. When you're ready, roll onto your right side and pause there with your eyes still closed. Gently push yourself up to a seated position. Finish by taking a deep breath, bringing your hands together at your heart, and gently opening your eyes as you exhale. Acknowledge the calm and relaxation you've cultivated, and consider carrying this tranquility with you through the rest of your day. If this meditation has brought a moment of calm to your day, consider joining our growing community. By subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button, you help us share the power of meditation with more souls searching for tranquility in this bustling world. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of peace. Each like, subscription, and share not only supports our channel, but also spreads positivity and mindfulness to others. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, peace starts within, and through our collective calm, we can make the world a more serene place. Until next time, namaste.